Now, what is partnership? First, let's understand the concept of partnership. Now, what is a partnership? Some of you might be BCom students, accountancy. Those people might be familiar with the term. Some people who are art students or science background students might not have those typical idea. But let me tell you, what is partnership? Now, suppose partnership is this beautiful concept whereby two or more than two people, when two or more than two people enter into an agreement, what do? They enter into an agreement whereby they want to sell something in the market. Partnership is a concept where more than one people, two or more than two people, enter into a contract, enter into an agreement whereby they decide that they are going to sell something in the market, they are going to earn profit out of it, and they are going to share the profits and losses of the business. Very simple. So when you and your friend decide that you guys are going to do a particular business, for example, selling sarees, suppose you and 5 of you want to do a business of selling sarees. Very well. And you decide that whatever will be the profits, we are going to share it. Whatever be the losses, we are going to share it. That is this concept called partnership. Am I clear to everyone? Is that clear to each and everyone out there? Okay. Now let's understand certain very important facets. Okay. Now, partnership, the law relating to partnership is governed by the Partnership Act of 1932. So we have a Partnership Act of 1932 which deals with the rules, regulations relating to partnership in India. Now, under this provision, what is given? Provision for admission of a new partner in a partnership. Suppose there are 5 partners. Initially, there were 5 people who sat together and they want to do a business. Now, addition of a 6th partner, how is that possible? It states, let's read, very important. It states that a new partner can be admitted with the consent, with the approval of the existing partners in the firm. So if there are 5 original partners, the 6th can be added with the consent or approval of the original 5. Am I clear? Is that clear?